The streaming wars are officially over, and while most people are focused on the content, the real revolution is happening in the hardware beneath your television. If you have been waiting for the next major evolution in home entertainment, your patience is about to be rewarded in a way that fundamentally changes how you interact with your screen. Today, we are diving deep into the Apple TV 4K, exploring the whispers, the supply chain leaks, and the highly credible rumors that are currently circulating through the corridors of Cupertino. This is not just a spec bump. It is a total reimagining of what an Apple TV 4K device can do for your smart home ecosystem. We are talking about a significant leap in processing power, potential redesigns that prioritize thermal efficiency, and software integrations that might finally blur the lines between a media streamer and a high-end gaming console. The current landscape of home media is crowded with cheap sticks and sluggish boxes, but the Apple TV 4K has always occupied a premium space. Now, with the hardware leaks pointing toward a more aggressive strategy, it is clear that Apple intends to hold onto that crown with an iron grip. From display output capabilities that will make your current television look outdated to neural engine enhancements that change how you discover content, the upcoming Apple TV 4K is shaping up to be the centerpiece of the modern digital lifestyle. Imagine a world where your streaming device isn't just a conduit for Netflix or Disney Plus, but a fully functional computational hub that processes video feeds, controls your smart lighting, and manages high-fidelity audio streams with zero latency. Rumors regarding the silicon inside this new Apple TV 4K suggest that we are looking at an architecture capable of sustaining frame rates and resolutions that were previously impossible in the compact form factor of a set-top box. Whether you're a casual viewer or a home theater enthusiast obsessed with bit rates and color accuracy, the advancements coming to the Apple TV 4K are going to require a serious look at your current equipment setup. The design philosophy behind the next Apple TV 4K seems to be shifting towards something more discrete, perhaps even modular, to accommodate the increased power requirements of the new internal components. Leaks from reputable component suppliers indicate that the thermal management system has been completely overhauled, which is a massive hint that this machine is designed to run hotter and faster than any model that came before it. If you have ever felt your current streamer stutter during a 4K HDR playback or felt it get sluggish while multitasking between heavy apps, this upcoming hardware release is the upgrade you have been waiting for. We are looking at a device that is essentially a mobile computer in disguise, optimized specifically for the singular purpose of delivering the perfect visual and auditory experience. Beyond the hardware, the software integration for the new Apple TV 4K is arguably the most exciting part of the puzzle. With rumors of deep-level integration with the upcoming iteration of tvOS, the device is expected to leverage advanced AI algorithms to upscale content in real time, providing a level of clarity and sharpness that native streaming feeds currently lack. This is the holy grail of home entertainment, taking compressed internet video and treating it with a machine learning engine that reconstructs the image to look like a high bitrate Blu-ray. It is an ambitious goal, but given the recent trajectory of Apple's silicon performance, it is well within their grasp. Finally, we have to talk about the gaming potential. There have been consistent reports that Apple is pushing for a more robust gaming presence on the Apple TV 4K, potentially supporting higher-end titles that were once reserved for dedicated gaming PCs or the latest consoles. By improving the GPU architecture and optimizing the interaction between the Apple TV 4K and your controller, they're positioning this box as the ultimate gateway for cloud gaming services. The convergence of media, smart home automation, and interactive entertainment is peaking right here, and the Apple TV 4K is the vessel that will bring it all to your living room. Stay tuned, because as these details harden into facts, the value proposition of your home media setup is going to change forever.